How to change currency on Wix. So here I've just loaded up the Wix dashboard, and what we want to do is scroll down until we see settings. So click on settings here, and then the next step is scrolling down until we're able to locate language and region. So click on this option, language and region here. And if we scroll down a little bit, we should be able to see the part for currency here. So choose the currency you accept for payments and that people see on your site. Here, if we select the current currency or click on the drop down arrow here, we can see all of the different currencies. And if I want to do United States dollar here, I'm just gonna scroll down until I find it, US dollar. I'm just gonna click on it and it will show us this: changing your currency. Make sure that the payment providers operate in your location and are able to accept payments in this currency. Got it. If I click on save, this is going to change the main currency on my website. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.